Hello guys, this is my first vlog in the 2025 going in the San Jose, Bulacan. Hi guys, I'm here in San Jose, Bulacan. Tignan nyo guys, may boundaries, may harang. Malalaman nyo kung ano iyan. There's my family. Medyo maulan guys. Nakikita nyo yung dulo? Yun lang. That's a cemetery. Hello guys, this is the fish pet in my cousin's house. May small and big fish. Yun lang. Here in the San Jose, Bulacan, in the provinces. Yun lang guys. Can you follow and subscribe in my YouTube? May naliligo po. May naliligo po. This part guys, medyo malubak kasi nga nasa ibang part tayo ng bukid namin. Nakikita niyo yun, yung may malaking truck. Dahil tatanggalin na po yun dahil nga naibenta na. Yun, may tatlong bibi. Char. Hello guys, ito yung isa pang video for today. Kambing. Shout out! Gandang hapon. That's all for today guys.